Stick around until the end to find out how much it costs to fix. Hey folks, today I'm breaking down a real headache for some Toyota Tacoma owners, a rear-end vibration or noise when braking. This issue usually shows up when you're slowing down, especially between 30 and 15 miles per hour. Drivers report feeling a strange rumble or vibration coming from the back of the truck, almost like you're driving over rumble strips on the highway. It can be pretty unsettling, and it often makes people worry that something serious is wrong with their vehicle. The noise or vibration isn't constant. It happens mostly when braking, and it can be more noticeable if the truck has been sitting for a while or in damp conditions. Some owners even describe it as a low, growling sound or a buzzing sensation that you can feel through the seat or floor. If you've experienced this, you're definitely not alone. It's a common complaint among certain Tacoma models. If you've got a 2017 or 2018 Tacoma, specifically the non-TRD model with the BD20 rear differential, you might want to listen up. Toyota released a Technical Service Bulletin, or TSB, titled Rear Vibration or Noise While Braking. The original was T-SB-0023-18, and later they updated it to T-SB-0023-18 to include the 2019 model year. This isn't a recall, but it is an official document telling dealers how to handle these complaints. Here's the symptom. You're coming to a stop, usually between 30 and 15 miles per hour, and you feel a weird rumble or vibration coming from the rear end, almost like you're driving over those rumble strips on the highway. It's annoying and it's not your imagination. Now, what's causing it? In many cases, it's excessive clearance between the brake drum and the axle drum flange. Sometimes there's rust or corrosion on the rear axle flange. That can throw everything out of whack and give you that vibration or noise when braking at low speeds. So, how do Toyota dealers fix it? Here's the official flow straight from the TSB. First, they confirm the noise or vibration. Next, they check for rust or corrosion on the rear axle flange and clean it if they find any. Then, they measure the diameter of the axle flange. If it's out of spec, the fix can get pretty involved. They might need to replace the rear axle shaft, hub and bearing assemblies, hub bolts, gaskets, and O-rings. Basically, it could mean a brand new rear axle assembly if yours doesn't meet Toyota's specs. Owners online are saying the same thing. Lots report that dealers replace their rear axles or hubs under this TSB. After that, most saw the problem go away, so the fix actually works. Bottom line, if your 2017, 2018, or even 2019 Tacoma non-TRD BD20 rear diff has that rumble or vibration when braking, this bulletin applies to you. Take it to your dealer. Tell them about TSB-0023-18 and ask them to check the rear axle flange and drum. Alright, that's a quick breakdown of what's going on with this Toyota TSB. If you want more info or if you want me to check your trim and build date against the bulletin, drop a comment down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss out on the latest car tips. Thanks for watching. So, how much might it cost to fix this issue? Depending on your location and whether your truck is still under warranty, repairs can range from a few $100s for minor cleaning and adjustments to over $2,000 if major parts like the rear axle assembly need replacement. Always check with your dealer for an exact quote.